folks, another freaking video. We're out here, we're fishing the creek. Oh, good night, son. We're gonna get some itchy freaking legs now. Oh, yep, there's the nettles or something. Oh. Dude, more grass, are you kidding me? Nobody's been down here in a long time. Good for me. There are some big fish right there. Holy crap. So, we're here for bass, have fun with some suckers and all that greatness. This is insane, dude. That's a sheep's head, I think. All right, I'm gonna tie on a grub. Creek favorite. I have everything. This is a good place. That is holding a lot of fish. It's just a matter of, can I get one? Oh, there's a big bluegill right there. Oh my gosh. That is a decent sized gill. And there's a bass right next to it. I'm gonna grab that worm, drop it, see if I can catch it. Ooh, I did have one, but it went under a rock. That's gonna take a lot of work. There we go. Ooh, look at that, a little rocky, buddy. All right, we might catch a sheep's head, boys. Yep, you got him. Got him. Oh yeah. I sight fished him. Oh yeah. Sheep's head. You bow fishing? I see there's a lot of big carp and stuff over here. Yeah, I have seen a couple.
I've gotten 3 big buffalo over the past couple days.
Have ya? That's sweet. Oh, you just stopped the camera, didn't ya? What's wrong with you? Nice little sheep's head, boys. Okay, I'm gonna get a nice calm release, but that's all right. Yep. Here we go. Look at that. Turtle Creek bluegill. It's a nice one. Stupid rock bass, dude. I need to get this up the hook I just started reeling. A little rocky. Go. Oh, yeah. I just arrived to the spot and old Molly Matt's getting frisky with these bass, alright?
Already.
Yeah, it's actually kind of sweet here.
Yeah, it is. It's nice. I probably don't need to take a picture of it.
No, I mean, it's worth it, but it's not, you know. You probably caught better ones in here. I just brought this. Senkos, these brown cinnamon color Senkos, and this. Yeah. Good drag, good drag.
I caught it on Taylor's rod.
Oh yeah, you were telling me about that.
Rapids.
Did you just have one?
Yeah.
I'm probably just gonna chill here for a little bit. I'm actually gonna try this place out.
Because I'm gonna go up, I'm gonna drop him off because his house is right there. I'm gonna come down, I'm gonna fish down the tree. That's what I was saying.
Oh, I'll just make my way up it. Got one. Hooked up, boys. Got one. Aw, he spit it. Hey, it's a nice one though. There we go. It's a nice one. It is a real nice one. Ooh. Yep, yep, yep. Good night. Okay. Oh, holy cow. It's a nice little smallmouth, actually. Look at that. Nice, beautiful little spally we got here. There she is.
Oh yeah. I caught the giant right up there.
Did ya? I'm gonna go down. Oh, I'm gonna go down a little farther. I caught a smallmouth.
Was it nice?
Yeah, it's about 13, 14, maybe 15. Ooh, there's fish right there. Oh. Got one. Yep. Ooh. It's decent. It's oh. Yeah, I got him.
Very good.
Oh my God.
Nice.
This sucker's fat too. I tossed it right on his head. Destroyed it, dude. Look at that, folks. That thing is nice. Okay. Yep. We're gonna. Oh. Yep. Okay. Hey, you want to go back in? I will. I'll let you go.
Yeah, I mean.
Look at that, dude. This water is so clear. It's so cool to watch them. Well, walking to our next spot, we just caught this little beast right here. Look at them red eyes on that sucker. Oh yeah, came jetted down, tossed right in front of him. He went up and then he came right back. So let little son go. Oh yeah, Taylor's up there. I've been here for like, not even kidding you, 10 minutes maybe. Like, this is insane. So I'm just gonna keep going upstream. I'll probably go where Taylor's at, because there's 2 streams up there. Might go over there. And I'm literally have 2 Senkos left. So after that, I'm done. Oh, there's a bluegill or something right down there. Yep. Oh yeah, got one. Oh, dang. Did you see how high he just jumped? Dude, he went like so high. That is a nice one. Holy crap. Dude, there goes another Senko. What in the heck?
How are you losing?
I have no idea.
Do they keep swallowing them?
I have no idea, dude. Like, actually. Because I don't see him.
You see him sitting right there?
No. I said, watch this first cast. As soon as I dropped it, he came out of nowhere. Drop one again. That is another stud. That thing's a beaut, folks. Good night. Look at red eyes. Yep. Oh, he's looking at the camera for you.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Like, screw that camera.
Yeah, he don't like
Came
this.
over here, though.
Oh, yeah. Dude, I'm getting I ain't gonna lie, sometimes it's actually hard to see the bass until you drop it right on them and they freak out. Yeah, I'll catch him. Watch this. Got him. Ooh. On the old Ned rig, buddy. All right, come here. Look at that, folks. That's about 12 incher, maybe. He's about a solid half pound.
You see him up there?
Yeah, I just see him cruising the shores. Oh. Oh, he got one. He got one. Oh, I had one too. We almost doubled up. That's a little large, I think. No, it's smallmouth. Oh, oh! Actually, that looks sweet. Yo, this is mud. I'm like in, bro. Oh my god, I have to go in the water after this. This is disgusting.